Hey guys, welcome to the Sath Show. Over the last couple of months, you probably heard about these hot companies called Hyliion and also Nikola Motors. But what's similar between them? They both merged with SPACs to get onto the stock market. So what's a SPAC? It stands for Special Purpose Acquisition Companies. So before I continue, I would greatly appreciate it if you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribed, as it does help support this channel. SPACs, otherwise known as shell companies, have no operations. They're essentially just a giant pool of money given by investors to a management group, trusting that they will choose a good company to merge with. After the blank check company IPOs, the investors' money is usually kept in a trust until the management decides on which company to merge with. Typically, if the management group does not decide on a company to merge with within a predetermined date, which is usually 2 years, the trust will be liquidated and the money will be given back to the investors. Another thing to note is that prior to an acquisition, blank check companies are usually under a different ticker symbol. So, for example, before Hyliion merged with Tortoise Acquisition Corp, it was under the ticker symbol SHLL, standing for Shell. And prior to Nikola merging with Vecol IQ, it was under the ticker symbol VTIQ. So now you're probably wondering why companies will get listed via a SPAC rather than an IPO. Well, this is actually due to the fact that a traditional IPO is a long process. It has to do with a lot of regulations, investor scrutiny, and underwriting, which can take 6 months of itself. But via a SPAC, this process can be much quicker. They also don't have to spend money on roadshows to generate investor interest since the money is already collected. SPACs are amazing, however they do have their downsides. The outcome of a successful SPAC is entirely on the skill of the management team, which can be a horrible outcome for investors who invested after the IPO of the blank shell company. A prime example of a SPAC gone wrong is actually Vecol IQ and Nikola Motors. The management team of Vecol IQ did not do a good job at researching Nikola Motors prior to their merger. Hindenburg Research later found out that Nikola Motors actually faked the video of their EV truck driving by pushing it down a downward sloping road just to make it look like it was driving. This then led to Nikola Motors losing their partnership with GM. As you can see, prior to the merger, Nikola Motors actually hit $80, but then after the Hindenburg Research report, it even dropped as low as $19 and is now trading at $18.88. Alright guys, that'll be it for today. Once again, thanks for watching, and I would greatly appreciate it if you liked and commented for the YouTube algorithm, as it would help support this channel.